Aya attention TV na busia fire de be ka Ghana is a Christian country. And unti ana Ghana mem hwase ne yentukuku akukwa anase no obi ekumu bebre e wo Ghana mem hwase anase tribe bia sorry etia tribe bi. Ene bedu Kobi ene simple for asansa beto abonte a woche ma chese. E kamia koye se ne nsem bi na o kan ye nanu bi no. Bloggers bi ni mu enya ne yie anase wantia ase na wenya time anka ne yeni na ende sen. E beto abonte se prophet bedu Kobi ene nsem ya beto abonte a woche ma chese 2024 amemmo ye wote so eye MPP amemmo esan so ebe win election a e man Ghana focus ya na wochiri ma chese na prophet bedu Kobi pa na wo nti Ghana mu ha na yesu se Ghana ye din o san so be ka se wa wo se pre ayi MPP for na san beje akonya no ene ananam so ama bedu Kobi aba bonten a wochiri ma chese e kam ya kwese bloggers ni bi ana enya na yie wo wochiri ma chira opposition party ye NDC mom ana wo benya akonya no e de atena so abusia sansu chire mu chire se nyankopon wankasa ene ba be yi MPP amemo no e de free akonya no so yenko tie mu chire mu die aba.
Right now, where are you?
Sakumono,
right?
Sakumono.
Sakumono is in which country?
Sakumono wo
Ghana. So Ghana. When it is Ghana's matters, can we talk about it or not? When the church is silent, the world misbehaves. You hear what I said? Whenever the church is silent, when the ruler is quiet, they misbehave. And so as you follow me, anytime I speak about Ghana matters, be serious. Because if anything happens, it affects us, but we will not allow it. I thought I would see you clapping for Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Last week I spoke about series of visions I'm having, and I've seen that some of the bloggers, just to make money, they just wrote Badu Kobi said MPP has won 2024 elections.
Bloggers say
I was talking about what is ahead, what the government has done, what the government would do, what the opposition would do. I have not finished, but I won't continue today. I'll continue next week. So they publish it every, it's gone all over. And now I will not begrudge them. I also not begrudge those in NDC who are insulting me. But listen to me, you can speak against us, but over time you see that we are doing the right thing. 2024, MPP can do anything they want to do, anything. They won't sit on the seat. Anything. They won't. Why? God will remove them. Anything. They won't. They can use soldiers. It won't work. They can use whatever. Everything will turn against them, even before 2024. You can't come saying you've come with God, and then you are using strength. You can't play God. Is somebody listening to me? And I'm saying, if God, they must listen. I'm telling them, whether Bawumia, those who are part of those flag, they won't win. It is only for Alan and Bawumia. And even as I speak, 2 weeks ago, I said as I speak, Alan is leading. If Bawumia doesn't back up, he can never overtake Alan. Alan is leading.
I can't say Alan and Bawumia. Alan
That is for their party. But for the national elections,
ne sɛ ɔmanmu no abatoɔ no deɛ
none of the two, no one can win.
wɔn mu bia tu franka ma wɔn kura nkwa wɔn di nkunim.
I'm saying this before Sunday I come.
meka wɔ yi ansa kɔsi ara ma ba.
In the spiritual, in 5 hours,
dɔnhwiri num mu no
the opposition will win the elections. In just 5 hours,
ama dɔnhwiri num mpɛ
before it's 12 midnight,
ansa na bɛbɔ na
it will be seen publicly that opposition has just messed up the elections by winning powerfully.
meka na ɔkukuduro mu sɛ ansa na bɛbɔ na dwudu mmienu no ɛna wɔn a wɔpere akonnwa sɛ sia no wɔn adu nkunim nneɛma no wɔn nsa.
And what they have done before 2024,
na nea wɔn ayɛ ansa na pimpinu aduonu nan bɛ so no
Emmanuel Badu Kobi has seen it.
Emmanuel Badu Kobi ewu.
I will spoil it.
mɛsɛn ne nyinaa
I won't tell anybody what I'll do.
menka nkyerɛ bia nea mɛyɔ.
But this is God revealing things about Ghana for me.
na wɔyi yɛ Nyankopɔn ɔda Ghana ho nsɛm adi akyerɛ me.
The opposition in this nation,
wɔn a wɔnni abɛnya so wɔn a
they
wɔyɛ
will win 2024 elections. And listen to me, it will be the easiest election. It will be the toughest election.
wɔn a wɔnni abɛmu sɛsia no wɔn na apimpinu
Listen to the 2 words. I'm ending my statement for today. Next Sunday, then I finish it. I won't talk about it. 31st, I'll come and say what I should say. We move. I won't talk about anything. You are doing underground. Men of God who want the nation to go far also do underground. When I say underground, do you understand? You are doing things. Men of God also meet God and do what He wants us to do. The nation will be salvaged. No, we don't need blood. We don't need fight. We need peace.
yɛ nyasomdwoɛ wo se wode afɔfɔ mu a nyame asɔfoɔ yɛpɛ sɛ nyame adwen ne ne tirim pɔ ɛba mu no so yɛn nso yɛ nimnea yɛne nyame ɛyɛ yɛmpɛ mogya yɛmpɛ sɛ biribi bɔ ne si.
It will be the easiest.
ɛmu bɛyɛ mmerɛ paa
At the same time, it will be the toughest.
nanso mesan so ka sɛ ɛmu bɛyɛ den paa.
The opposition has never seen an election like this.
wɔn a wɔnni aba nso sɛsia no wɔn ho abatoɔ to saa da wɔn ho
It will
bi
be
da
the easiest in the end.
ɛmu bɛyɛ mmerɛ ase abatoɔ biara
And before 6 hours,
yansa na sima dɔnhwere nsia mu no
everything will be showing.
biribia bɛda di
And Ghanaians will be shouting.
ghanafoɔ bɛtiatia mu
That is how it will go.
saa na ɛbɛkɔ.
So they should not misquote my word.
enti ma wɔn mu nka nsɛm a menka
I
yɛ
was telling them what they've done.
ɛna mekyerɛ wɔn nneɛma a wɔn ayɔ.
And Sunday I'll come and explain why some people were seated and were not ready. I'll tell you what will happen. And 2024 elections, the only thing that will bring victory is the hand of God.
Kwesiada na ba bɛkyerɛ wo sɛnti a ebinom ti akonnwa so nso wɔn ntumi ndi adeɛ so na afipinu ne aduonu na abatoɔ no deɛ Nyankopɔn abasa.
And the person who will win the elections
yɛ a wobɛdi nkonim no
will not rule Ghana for 4 years.
ɔndi Ghana so mfe
It will
nan
go beyond that.
ɛbɛtena saa.
I rest my case.
mede ma asɛm asi.
Be seated for a moment.
tena ase kakra.
I see your MPP worried. I see your MPP nature.
mehu wo MPP su ne ban no mehu.
Here, we are doing what God will expect
ha
us to do.
deɛ yɛyɛ nea
So today, I want to continue by number 26. Number 16. Okay, so last time up to 15. Today is the 16th secret.
ɛyi testament so du nsia na ndɛ mede ba.
Disengage unenlightened Christians.
yewu bi ekristofo a wonya ho han wadwe wonya mbiɛyɛ.
Prophet Badu Kobi ana ekotene ne ede ebaye ede fa 2024 election a woka no maybe nanu bia bloggers bebre na enya nuyi a wokochro se ona wokọ blogger se MPP ana benya amemu no asanso ana city na asanso atena so 2024 election osenya sakwa net na NDC amemu ana betena presidential seat ne so ye during election 2024 a ewo ye nimi aha ana na menimu ebisi makwa.